Hello traders, Lloyd Ray with HypedOnCrypto.com, your #1 source for cryptocurrency technical analysis and blockchain education. In this live stream, we're going to be doing what we do every day, taking a look at Bitcoin. I'm not sure if we're looking at Litecoin. I'm so torn on that one. We had a civil war last night between the local and the eights. Litecoin should dethrone Ripple. I don't know if we should or not. I don't know. We're going to look at things, many cryptocurrencies. Okay? Let's get it going. Hey, New Bows, man. Dude, thank you so much for that $20 contribution. We couldn't even get through the intro without New Bows being to Jesus, man. Dude, thank you so much. It means everything. You know, any contribution you make is only reinvested into the stream so we can produce better quality content for you, the viewer. So, New Balls, man, thanks so much, dude. It means everything. It truly does. You Jesus, man. So, something I saw last night, I don't know, just kind of just looking at it after stream. Pure price contraction with tons of touches, making this very valid. Though we did break down out of the channel, we've just fell into another type of pattern, which is just symmetrical, neutral pattern. Though I understand the first impulse of this triangle was a breakdown. If you look back, you can still see that we do have a hint of bullishness to this triangle. You cannot disregard that. It could be. We can never assume here, okay, ever. But it could be a bullish continuation symmetrical triangle if the stars align and everything works out the way we would like it to. So, hope y'all enjoyed that song. It's just on the fly with that. But, yeah, man. Try to DJ it up in here, right, man? We try to do that. It's not easy. It's not easy being DJ. Good Lord. Because everyone likes a song or everyone hates a song or it's half and half. It's like Litecoin and Ripple, man. Okay? That's what it's like. Just make sure, get a sound check, make sure it's good. Okay? So, yeah. Price contraction, gonna be making a move. Volume drying up, calm before the storm. Even with this breakdown, okay? Even with that, still making lower levels of volume. So, though we did see some lightning and some thunder, we heard some thunder, right? We see the clouds upon us. Even with this breakdown, the storm has not yet happened. Okay, the real storm, based on this pattern. Okay. So if we did fall out of this and head faked, I'm just thinking theoretically here, we did not match our lows yet. Okay, if our candle body matched this low down here, at this point we could very well see that Class B bullish divergence. We're just so close to it. I mean, we don't have to have it, but if you did fall out and match this low here, you'd be making bullish divergence, which would be cool, man. It'd be cool. So let's take a look. Oh wait, sorry. My Discord was being really weird. Was any of your Discord being like annoying with the updating? What's up, Mo? Super Saiyan level over 9,000. We're freaking close, are we not, man? We're close. Hey, BK Hood, man, thanks so much for that sub on Twitch. You did Jesus, man. Are you doing it for the memes? Are you doing it for the Viking? We're working on more emojis. Really, our next goal, what we want, to get that 5,000 subs on our main YouTube page, so I can be a Viking, so we can make another emoji for like Wizard and Viking, right? Adding more value to the Twitch area. Dude, thanks so much, man. It means everything. BK. Really do appreciate you, man. And all your contributions to the community. But you know, any contribution you make, man, it's only supporting us so we can provide you with more. Okay? Thanks, brother. Yeah, man, Super Saiyan, I mean, we're so close, right? We're almost there. Almost Vegeta. At the Vegeta resistance, as we would call it. Ven got it for you, man. Franklin, what's up, dude? Luis from Periscope. Ecstasy. Many smiles and emojis, man. What's up, Reedy? DGD on the list. BK Hood, 80A on the list, man. You know what? Since you subbed, man, ADA will be first. What's up, Coach K? Day's going well, man. Day's going well. It's beautiful, beautiful day outside again. It's like 80-something degrees now. I'm just so happy that this weather's returned. Just been tired of the blah of winter and all that stuff. Hey, Jay Norris. Swedish Trucking. Got ICX on the list, man. Hello, Drew. XVG's on the list. Bed and breakfast coin to Ethereum. Interesting. We'll write it down, man. Julianne just came from the music. Well, every time a song plays, we get you taken care of then. Yep, doing well, Swedish Trucking. Thanks, man. What's up, Hungry Probe? And Jeff? What's up, bro? Leslie Tree Garden. We got one on the list for you. 88. It's going to be first, Julianne. There you go. Works out. Hey, Swedish Trucking, roll tide, man. Thanks so much, dude. Rec. Hungry Probe wants Rec and AE. Okay. Sub for Steve. Is that Scuba Steve? Suba Steve? Get it? Same thing, kind of, right? Scuba and sub, they both submerge. Steve, man, are you new? Scuba Steve? You hyped for Crypto Man, Leslie? Swedish Trucking got ONT on the list. Infloor got ADA on the list. It's going to be the first one. Prinzella wants some XLM, and TRX is already on the list. So we put it on the list. This is already getting, you know how it is. Already getting there. Jan. Good afternoon, Jan. Or good evening, wherever you are. So, Mr. Davies. Dash. XMR for Dean Assad. Sure, man. On the list. Dean, I'm doing well, man. Thank you, dude. Hope you're doing well too. What's up, Mr. Singh? Just checking out chat. We're almost done, everyone. We're almost done with chat, so we can get on to the chart analysis. That's what we do. We engage with the team, and then we move it on. Thank you, BK. Okay, Nubile wants XVG. That'll be second then. Okay, we got. Well, I mean, actually, we'll do XVG first, because Nubile. I mean, my God, out the gate, dude, just incredible. Thank you so much, dude. Hey, Frisias, how do you pronounce that? Is it Friskias? Frisias Customs. Thank you so much for the kind words. Really appreciate you. You the real Jesus. Swiller wants DNT. If that's on there, I think DNT's not on there. Miguel, man, you don't have to patronize, man. Come on. Like you can request your coins. Look, you requested 2 yesterday, and I took care of one. I actually covered one of them. So, dude, don't feel like that. Don't be like that, man. Let's be tight. Let's be cool, man. You request a coin, man, and I'll get it for you, okay? One Up Motos in Pensacola checking in. Well, dude, welcome. Just drive straight north, man. You'll come see me, dude. What's up, Russell Scott? I'm not sure. I'm not sure how that works. I've never had that issue. I've never done that. I have no idea. Someone would be able to help, though. Daniel wants mana. Yeah, no, ADA is very popular today. Power Ledger for Basanta. All right, we got through chat. We did it, guys. The list is long and crypto. All right, let's see if we can stay above this area, this upward sloping trend line, this triangle pattern. Okay. If we can break to the upside, hit this area, then all of a sudden the rule of 3 starts playing into it. 1, 2, 3. And then there, you know, mathematically already, we have a higher chance of breaking to one side or the other just based on our pattern development already. We're already at the, I guess you could say, what, 75% of the way to 80% of the way through this pattern development. So should be making a move at some point. We'll see what happens. Fortunately, you're not forming that perfect textbook bear flag pattern, right? That's good. It'd be like a downward sloping flag thing, so it's not really on the 4-hour showing that complete upward sloping movement, which is good. Seriously, that's not a bad thing, and it's still holding this 89.40 area as a support. Remember the candle body closes? We talked about this critical level. Got to hold it. If you can't hold this, you're going to be coming down to 87.17. We still haven't fallen to those levels yet, which is fine. But again, the volume's dropped off. So, all right, let's go to Ethereum. The what is it? The upward sloping channel Jesus Ethereum. Whoops, wrong Ethereum. Oh, how wonderful. Ethereum. Coach K, we did it, man. We did it. We did not fall. We rose. We rose like a Jesus, man. That's just fantastic. I love that. Ethereum just showing so much strength in these trying, troubling times, getting back to its home that all started on the 7th of April when it made its first higher low of this correction after a triple bottom that was wonderful. Fantastic. Beautiful symmetry here. Just love it. Okay, all the way up. Again, got to break this level. We've been trying to break it for the past 2 to 3 days now. We haven't been able to. The 73,240 area. We got to break that. If we break that, I'm going to see a nice little move on up. Probably to 77,028. Okay, that's, 7.7% of a Bitcoin. I could say it like that every time. It's just easier to say all the numbers, okay? Because it's just a different type of way we're talking about it. So, all right. That's Ethereum. Back in the channel. Back to being a Jesus man, okay? Let's freaking go. Let's freaking go. Love it, man. All right. Yep. City discounts. Give me some guidance, man. I know you said, look, we have to go by what City Discount said, okay? His last contribution, he said, never mind taking it off the list. We have to respect that, right? XRP. Until he says something different, he's the local on the 8's Lord. And there it is, Stuart. If you're in here, there it is, man. We did it. Still, just terrible volume, just inexistent. But you did it, man. You broke. Just when we thought it was over, we were down and out on the ground like Jon Snow in the Battle of the Bastards. We rose again. Stannis Baratheon and all his men came to save the day. We did it, man. Wow, that is fantastic. Great job, Ripple. Holding above. That's like double bottom action right there. That's beautiful. Extreme Knowles. Yeah, man. Got you covered, dude. Got you covered. Dude, City Discount, man. Thank you so much for that $20 contribution. You Jesus, man. Thanks so much. Means everything. Truly does. We can get you your coins requested anytime. And if you want the best discounts, go to City Discounts in Minnesota. Store number 118. Thanks again, brother. Y'all are just fan-freaking-tastic. So Ripple, stay above the 9,022 area that you finally got back above. You broke below it. Just couldn't hold. But again, no volume. So when there's no volume and you're holding levels of support and you know you're in a confirmed uptrend, this is kind of validating that for us. We're getting this double bottom stuff. That is a double freaking bottom, ladies and gentlemen. Wow. This is very good for Ripple. Incredible price action. It is time. The time is upon us to rise. Very good chance at this point. Your bears tried twice now. They failed twice. This gave confirmation to the market that we will not see lower prices. That's what that means. This a double bottom happens all the time. Traders, a lot of traders will only trade double bottoms. Wonderful. Wonderful. BNB to the US dollar tether. Alright, you're back to those levels of value. Okay, I recharted this last night, okay? I was just listening to some music after stream and I had a vision, okay? I had a bed and breakfast vision. This is what's going on, truly, with BNB. Do you like this? I like it a lot, man. Just looks beautiful. So you got this upward sloping channel that you've been in. You've made your first top, your first part of this on the 17th of February. So you've been riding this channel ever since. And within this channel is where you have that ascending triangle, right? Pretty nice. So if heck broke loose on Bitcoin and we broke below this area, we could know at least we have some more underlying support at this $12, $11.50 range. So yeah, it's always good, right? Getting more and more vision, right? Just seeing things differently, always good. That's my whole point of doing this. I'm not on here just TAing to TA to just give you the state of the coin. I'm trying to educate and teach y'all. So guess what? If you're like, man, Ray's been working hard, you know what? I've learned a lot from him, and I want to give him what he taught me. I want him to. I'm gonna send him a Discord message with something I see that maybe he doesn't see, because I only have 2 sets of eyes, and I'm trying to get through these coins to make everyone happy. So when I have 200, 300, 400, 500, 1,000 people that have now learned stupid amounts of TA from me, we can learn. We have so many more eyes on the market, so we can just make way more decisions, better decisions as a team versus me just alone doing this, right? So that's the whole point. The goal is to create an educated, a very educated generation of crypto traders. That's the whole point here, okay? Just wanted to throw that out there. So beautiful looking stuff on Binance, BNB, bed and breakfast coin. All right. So we have to do XVG first, just for new balance. We did it, man. Do y'all remember? Does anyone remember what this is? That's the neckline. That's the inverse head and shoulders neckline stuff. We hit it. Right? Yeah, that's it. That's the neckline measure move up, and we've now touched it. Isn't it? Or is it the wedge? I can't remember. This is a wide wedge. Let me measure this. I know we messed around with this. It has to be the wedge, right? $205 from the breakout. Okay, yeah, it's the wedge measure move. We did it. City discounts, man. We did it, dude. Look. We're actually now using it as a resistance. Look at that. Fantastic. TA, respect it again, man. Like always. Like most of the time. Like 85 to 90% of the time. Boom. We did it, man. Hey, look, what else we did? We even talked about this in the stream last night. If we see a nice move up fast, we will not get bearish divergence. So now we're building positive momentum. It was one of the things we actually talked about possibly happening. Oh my God. It makes me happy, man. It makes me happy. Okay, so we had the wedge, following wedge pattern with our bullish divergence, giving us a very strong indicator that we could be seeing a move to the upside. Sure enough, we broke out of the wedge. We've now fulfilled the destiny of the TA, breaking and touching that measured move, as well as now breaking above the 200, testing that twice now, holding off, and just beautiful recovery where we said this trend was not technically over yet. We had a 61.8% retrace. I mean, we went lower than that, of course. We went down to probably a 70% retrace. Very common in the crypto market. No big deal, man. You can fall below it. Once you get back above it, then you hook off of it, then you bounce off of it, excuse me. You fall below and just get right back up on that horse. So this bullish trend continues. It continues, man. Levels of adversity, get right back above that 911 area, that measured move that you're currently kind of using as a resistance point, funny enough. Then from there, I guess what we could do is just get our horizontal line out and look to see our next. Okay, so we got 963 that's going to be used as a resistance, as well as this 994. Okay, which, you know, also 1011, 382. So I wonder what we retraced. We probably retraced 38% of the way from the swing high to swing low. Not worried about it, man. Not worried about targets for now. Okay, let's just keep breaking above critical levels of resistance above us. Okay, that's all we have to do. Stay above the 200 for long enough to where your MAs cross back over to where we get a golden cross again. Let's see it happen, okay? That's Verge. Wonderful. Okay, so we're going to do ADA, XEM, and then nulls, okay? Let's do that, man. Thanks again for being here, everyone. You could be doing anything but choose to hang out with me. Oh, yeah? Oh, falling wedge? What? Falling wedge? What? Is it magic? No. No, it's just TA, man. It's just TA. 378 from the breakout. 378's right. It's right up here. It's right at the... Jeez, man, it won't let me do it, dude. I mean, this is the measure move right here of this wedge. Cool, man. Cool. But for Patreon, still in this, the actual place to take some profit will be up at the 47.57 area. But this is just for, you know, why not? Why not look at it? So, one could actually say this might be a bull pull bull flag. If that was the case, this might be off, and we might say this is a yeah, again, not a wedge but a flag. To me, it looks kind of like, it looks more like a wedge, but that's okay, man. That's okay. It'll be a nice move up. If we did fulfill the destiny of TA, it seems like we probably will. Why? Well, our bullish patterns are way more reliable when we're in a bull trend. That's why, and that's exactly what we're in right now. The altcoin spring might be coming to a close, and we soon shall see the altcoin summer once again. That's ADA. To Jesus coin, man. Making its way up. Making its way. Let's go to XEM. Look at that, man. Look at this city discount. Wonderfully holding off as a support right here. Beautiful. Power. It's a flag right there too. No, this is more of a wedge. Mini wedge. Interesting. Oh yeah, man. Breaking it right now. Literally trying to break it right now. This is very powerful. This is very strong. Okay, this is a very bullish stuff that's going on right now. Okay, 4 hour XCM just had a fantastic run, and it you know, it had a retracement. What did it retrace? Well, we talked about it. Right around 50% area. Dow theory coming in at you once again. Very common area of retracement after such a wonderful run. Now we've broken to the upside. Not only have we done that, broke again. So, multiple touch points. We're talking 5 touch points along this area. I understand there's a wick here. It's actually 6 touch points. Excuse me. 1, 2. Well, we zoom in. You can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why would we regard this? Who cares about that? 6 touch points? Leave me alone. Okay, so see if we can break this, confirm above it. If we do, there are multiple schools of thought here, okay, on this coin, depending on how bullish you are. So you could say, okay, well, we just broke a huge bull pull bull flag combination, but we also broke this miniature wedge. So the miniature wedge is going to be like, nah, it's going to be up here, right? We're going to have a measure move around this area. But you want to talk about longer term, this is an insanely large measured move, okay, if we could get it. And here's the thing about this. Oh, we've already measured it. 57.95. That's your measured move from the breakout. Okay, so if we look at the 1 day, it probably looks even better on the 1 day. Oh yeah, that looks wonderful on the 1 day. This is going to be a spectacular run up if The TA is respected, right? We have to say that. Because it's all about the TA. If it's respected. There you go, man. Wonderful city discount. We'll see what happens, dude. We'll see what happens. Let's go to Knowles. I know Jason would be happy about this one too, to know that we're covering it so early in the stream. Yeah, and again, with Jason being concerned about this, I just don't understand how or why. I mean, we ran and got too high and extended above the MAs, and look, we're right around messing around this area. Just beautiful, man. Beautiful. We broke this very large symmetrical triangle area, and we said the measure move was 49,312. We're not quite there yet, but that's okay. These things don't happen over the course of a day. These are 4-hour candles. This is swing trading. This is not day trading. Sometimes it turns into day trading with the insane volatility of crypto, but not today, my friend. Not today. This is a swing trade that I'm just surprised we made it up this fast. This, well, I guess this high this fast. And there'd be nothing wrong, even if you broke down and touched this 50 MA, a decent area of value that one could get in here if they wanted to give it a shot. Right there. The previous high. Okay, previous high that's been hit a couple times, multiple times. You would see strong areas of value right here if we retraced here. And it wouldn't. And again, you're still within your equilibrium level for your candlesticks, so you wouldn't even have an issue if you fell and tested and touched this 50 MA, which we've seen so many times with all these coins, altcoin and Bitcoin included, right? So that's oh really? Class A bearish divergence? What? Yeah, we got what we needed there. Okay, so one could probably call this a flag, a bull flag, right? Probably get the right touches. Yeah, man. No problem, man. Okay. Could do that, or you could just say, all right, we had it like this, and then it wicked out one time. Okay. Doesn't matter. There it is. So just having a retracement after a nice run up. That's what they always do. Sometimes they're crazier than others. Okay, so again, fantastic looking chart. The technical rating is just good. There's nothing more we can say about it. Just a good technical rating. Now, this isn't really telling us much besides we had that bearish divergence, but look, when you get that bearish divergence, what does that mean? You're going to retrace what? To form a bullish continuation pattern or a bullish combination. Bull pull, bull flag. We can talk about a measured move here on a bull pull, bull flag. It's much higher than this. Much higher than the measured move on the symmetrical triangle. Let's go to the 1 day real quick so I can see my swing low. Swing low is down at 30,000. Okay. 30,000. Okay. So it is here, just for sure. 15,755. Wherever we break out. There it is. Here's your measured move for your bull pull, bull flag. Alright, that's it. There you go, City Discount. Hope that helped, man. You to Jesus, man. Thanks again for the contribution. Means everything. Alright, so we're going to go back to the requests. Let's go to Vin. Vin was the first one requested. You had your chance, Patreon. You had it. You had it, man. Or if you're just watching the stream, you had a chance. Huge flag, right? You were just in a downward sloping channel. Seems like you respected that quite well. You just look at how powerful you are on Vin, bouncing off this 20 twice now, almost 3 times. back above the heart line. Just beautiful, man. Beautiful. And look, here's the thing. Y'all, I love this. I freaking love this. This textbook falling wedge pattern finally hit its measured move like to Jesus, man, before it retraced. When it did retrace, it formed another bullish pattern. Bull patterns upon bull patterns upon bull patterns. We're liking to see very good stuff. Okay, this is inverse of what we've been seeing for the past 3.5 months. Great. Great. Bull pull, bull flag. All right, so we hit the measured move on the wedge. Beautiful. So next step, looks like a bull pull, bull flag. So measured move, measured move. Excuse me. Let's go to 1 day real quick so I can see. Not real swing low. Real swing low. Dang, man, is it really down here? Yeah, that's the real swing low, man. 41,000. Are you kidding me? 41,000. Wow. $10,785. Jeez. From the breakout, wherever it is. The TA is fully respected. We zoomed out, looked on our 1 day, a slower time scale to knock out these miniature swing highs we had, swing lows, whatever, and that's where we could go. 61,576 at this point. Okay, we talked about profit taking levels, the 50 and the 618. Guess what? Bull pull, bull flag, measure moves right around that 618. Magic. It's magic. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, beautiful, beautiful. I want to print it out, frame it, put it on my wall. Technical analysis art. Okay. There you go, Vin. Good stuff, man. Looks like we pretty much hit target. I mean, at this point, right? Pretty much hit target. God, I mean, like, that's as close as you're gonna get, right? That's what do you want? This is a Patreon, right? And look what we did. We ran up and we hit. Talked about multiple targets, right? This target and this target up here. I'm sorry, just so excited. It's just been such a, geez, short stream. Things have just been working out so wonderfully for these coins. It's fantastic. Gotta take a look at chat real quick, okay, guys and gals? Thanks, Andy. Is Neo already done? No, we'll put it on the list. The list is pretty long, though. Okay, man? IOTA? Oh, wow, I'm so, let me scroll up a little bit. Hey, Josh, OCN unfortunately is not on TradingView, so... Frieza. 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 That sounds like Frieza. Are you Frieza, man? Don't destroy Earth. What's up, Alan? I'm glad you held, Coach K. Boom. Talking about ETH. That's what I'm talking about. I'm just behind on chat. Just reading. Getting back. Tripping through time. Thanks, Urban Philosophy. Four Eyers, Kappa. I don't know. I think YouTube's just mainstream, man. It's just a cultural thing, right? Twitch is just kind of a video game thing, and then YouTube's kind of a non-video game thing, I guess, right? But I think it's growing on Twitch. You know, the IRL streams, they're getting bigger and bigger. So that's starting to become a real thing now. Like that's very new of a thing. People, you know, do real life streaming or real life streaming. Those people, like, now it's like being adopted by culture that people are actually being able to like make a living off of it, just doing that, just going out and living life and walking around with a selfie camera or whatever, or their phone, you know, and doing that. It's weird. You could not do that before in life. It's a new thing. All hail Lord Frieza. Oh my god. Hey, Mr. James. What's up, man? Thanks for being here. Swedish Trucking also agrees. All hail Lord Frieza. Alright, so let's move on to the next coin then, since I've gotten through chat. Franklin, of course Storm's on the list, man. Storm's actually literally right now. There you go, man. ZRX fulfilled the destiny of our targets wonderfully. Just chopping now, right? It's just chopping. Interesting. What's it doing, man? Something like this? I see. Is it this now, ladies and gentlemen? Do we just have a larger sim triangle? More price contraction going on, kind of like Bitcoin? Well, if that's the case, we don't know. Seems like we're finding some sort of a upward sloping support. And every time it's a higher low. So maybe something like that. Okay. Let's see what we can do here. That's not gonna work. It's just too new. Just too new. Alright. I guess we can get rid of this now. So that's it, right? This is our new pattern it seems we're forming. Looks good to me. I do declare. You just keep, your negative momentum just keeps drying up. Every time you make a low, you make lower levels of negative momentum. That doesn't necessarily mean... Wait a second. Holy crap. Holy world. Are you serious? Look. So we made a low here. Then we technically made a lower low, lower candle body close with lower levels of negative momentum. Class A bullish divergence. Wow. Nice, man. Good stuff. That storm, man. My goodness, a measured move up or down would be crazy. Okay, this would be a crazy measured move either way. I wanted to play this. Okay, so 127 sats up or down wherever we broke out. Measure up or down. So we broke there. See what I'm saying? 871 area. If we broke right there. It just depends though. Okay. If we broke down, we do the same thing. Okay, we're just not going to do it. It's not a big deal. Alright, that's storm, man. Symmetrical triangle, price contraction after an insanely nice run up. Okay. Your last level of resistance is upon ye. Alright, ICX. ICX respected the TA pretty well. Oh, it respected it unbelievably. Are you serious? Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, do you see this? Wow. Fantastic. Fan-freaking-tastic. Never ceases to amaze me. Well, it never ceases to stop amazing me, I guess. I keep becoming amazed every time. I don't know why. I just love it. Just love how it fulfills the destiny of the TA. Man, this has been a great stream. We've only been going 45 minutes. It's just been all these coins are just respecting TA like crazy, man. Yeah, surely, Franklin. We're just looking at the, you know, trading aspect of it, I guess. I don't know. Have I done in cash yet, Cammy? No, I have not. And we can put it on the list. The list is just long, okay? if you like this, I guess if you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Really appreciate y'all. Thanks for being here. You could be doing anything, but you choose to hang out with me and do some TA. We're having a lot of fun in here. TA is just being respected quite well. Zoomed out, huge falling wedge pattern. We broke out of it on the 11th of April. We've just been marching methodically, kind of like Ethereum, right? And we talked about a couple profit-taking levels on a wedge. Normally the 50% and the 618. Great areas, and we're still on our way. Patreon, we got in down here, okay? Wonderful. And now, as we see, talking about yesterday, or yesterday and the day before, we were running up here, we showed bearish divergence, okay? At first we showed class C bearish divergence right here, and then we turned it into class B bearish divergence. So class C to class B, then we broke down, fell all the way to the bottom of the channel. We wicked, and now we broke right back up, and we're within the channel once again. Beautiful. The bullish trend continues. Okay. That's it, man. That's ICX. Healthy, healthy, healthy. Let's go to Juan. Huh? You didn't quite hit that. You rounding out. Ugh. Gross. Gross rounding action. It's not the price action you want to see on moves up like that. Okay. Nevertheless, you had a symmetrical triangle. You broke out of it. The measure move was up here, 96.89. I don't think you quite hit it. Did not quite hit that measure move. You know, you're still okay, right? As long as you stay above your 50 MA, should be fine. Heck yeah, man. Cover that next. Thanks, New Boss. Really appreciate you, man. You Jesus, dude. Thanks for all your contributions. Do all I can for you, man. Got you covered. Let's see if we just refib here. Kind of want to use a different... Okay. That makes sense, right? So we use the 100% swing out of swing low. And as we can see here, from our all-time, it was our once all-time high wick down to here. We've got the 1272 that we hit, common area, after, you know, you break that 100%. So if you can stay above this area, you're okay, but you're not really forming any good bullish pattern. Okay, one thing you could say that's going on right now, watch this. Oh yeah, man. That's what's going on now. See that, man? Hey, brother. Hey, city discount, man. Sorry about that, dude. They did, man. Thanks so much for that $10 contribution. City discount. Thanks for that $10 contribution, man. Y'all, Jesus, man. Look, city discount. You're spending more time with your wife. That's kind of started becoming a common occurrence. Evidently, I've been reading. But you know, is she gonna complain if you're getting educated, learning TA, learning how the TA works? It's like learning the Force. It's like being in the Star Wars galaxy and learning how to use the Force, right? Is your wife really going to care if you can lift an X-Wing, you know, with your mind? Probably not. She might hate it while you're training, but once you come back to her and you show her D-Way, she'll be cool with it, right? Especially when you make good money from TA, right? It's a fishing pole. It's an investment. It's a time investment, okay? I guess, right? I don't know. So it looks like just got this upward sloping channel at this point. Looks pretty nice, man. Looks pretty good, man. Looks pretty good. So we hit the top of it, rounding out. So what does that mean? Well, If we can't go any higher, you know where the good areas of value are. Excuse me. Golly. So yeah, just wait for it. And then one could say that a decent area of value could be right here. Goodness gracious. All right, so I mean, you could try to buy here. I mean, maybe a decent area of value, but you're gambling. You're taking a higher risk. One would be taking a higher risk. Always going to have the better, or the lowest risk down here, with the better chance of success at the bottom trend line. So one would want to wait until maybe we could break down here. And you know how it is. You think, oh no, it would never do that. And then all these coins like ICX, oh, it would never get back to the bottom of that channel. No way, man. And look where we are. We hit the bottom of the channel and bounced off of it. I'm just saying, right? So that's one. And Play Dead, thanks again for the kind words, man. Means a lot. Hyped for all your support, dude. TRX, Tronics, guys. Huh, are you still holding within this flag? Yeah, still holding in that flag. Goodness gracious. Whew. Alright, well, we'll see what happens. Right? I mean, you're now below, you're right at that area, right? That measured move, the ascending triangle, remember? Down here? Was it the measured move was here to here? We hit it, man. We did it. OMG is fighting right now. Come on, OMG. We gotta do it, man. Let's do it. Speed of Jesus. XML, Paresh? I mean, we'll put XML on the list if it's on TradingView. It's on the list, man. The list is just kind of long, Paresh. Is TNT forming a Coven handle? We'll take a look at it next, man. We'll take a look at it, man. Might be after the look on the 8s. No, we might be able to get to it. Oh, my bad, dude. Sorry. Yeah, we'll go to Zen next, then TNT. How about that? Good. I figured, you know, Tronics, everyone wants a healthy update on Tronics. You know, you had this wedge. You completely disregarded the wedge, so we can just... I mean, it was still there. Okay, it was still freaking there. But bull pull, bull flag, everyone. Bullish consolidation for Tronics. We'll see if we make another move up. If we do make another move up, my goodness. The move would be fantastic. Hey, Danny Duckworth, man, thank you so much for that $10 contribution. You real Jesus, man. Right back at you, dude. Of course, man. Wax. If it's on TradingView, we will look at it, no doubt, man. I remember we might have had some issues with that before, not being able to see it, but we'll find out. So that's Tronics, guys. Bull pull, bull flag. Don't even want to fathom the measured move up on that. Unbelievable. Let's go to Zen. Completely my fault, Nubal. Sorry about that, dude. Huh. You broke down. You had a flag like that, and you just broke down. Interesting. You know what? Is it going to be like that? It's so weird. Hold on. Let's see if we could do something here. God, it was such an incredible, methodical march, was it not? Hey, if I saw, thanks so much for the sub on YouTube. You're a Jesus, man. Couldn't do without you. So, I guess just adjusting like that. Still seem okay, man. You're holding above that 50 MA. Very powerful, very good. Still bullish, man. No problem. You're still very much in a bull trend. I wouldn't be worried at all. Not worried at all. let's look at this. What did we retrace from our swing low, right? From the very bottom, from our gravestone dojis, all the way to the top. 61% retrace. Common. Stay above your 408,389. Stay above that, you're fine. Very, very common retrace. Okay? That's it. Bull pull, bull flag, measured move, start flagging again. You broke down to test the 50 MA, kind of disregarded that contraction. That's fine. So now we make new adjustments to our flag. Still flagging. Still look fine. No big deal, man. So we'll see how this holds up, but again, oh, cup and handle, man. I mean, it's got the same type of price action going on, right, that you saw here. We'll see if we can make our move to the upside, and hopefully we don't form any kind of mimicry, right? We don't want that. We don't want symmetry. I don't think that's how it works. So let's just see if we can break above the 439,592 area. Got to break this upper resistance. What's the upper trend line of the little channel we're in? See if we can break above that and break to the upside. Okay. You do not want to match this. You do not want to do this. We'll see. We will see. That's Zen. Just keep your eye on it. It's doing some weird stuff right now. At a lower high, kind of double top stuff. That's Zen. Alright. We got 15 seconds till you're local on the 8th. Sponsored by City Discounts. If you want the best discounts in all of Minnesota, go to City Discounts, store number 118. No cab is included. So without further ado, it is time for your local on the 8s. Alright, man. Let's get to it. Bitcoin. We've got 1 minute and 35 seconds roughly until our 4-hour candle closes. And technically, let's see, right now we're getting some sort of bullish engulfing candle. So that's nice. You got that going for you. And we'll see what happens next, okay? But nevertheless, price contraction, your rate of change is contracting, okay? Your highs and your lows are getting squeezed in. You're making higher lows and lower highs, okay? It's a neutral pattern. And let's see it break to the upside. It would be wonderful. Man, if we could get up here one more time. We could easily see it. I don't know why, unless we just broke down. But you're not forming that signature bear pull bear flag action. It's not upward sloping, okay? It's not. I've seen much prettier bear pull bear flags, and the context is very, very different, okay? I mean, look, you see how you're making higher lows here, okay? And then higher wicks than your previous wicks. Higher lows on your wicks, higher highs on your wicks, okay? Higher highs on your wicks, higher highs on your wicks, higher lows on your wicks. That's your signature, okay? You're not getting that. We'll see. We'll see. Give it time. Volume is terrible. Ladies and gentlemen, the stock market has just closed. The NYSE. So, and also, 4-hour candle has just closed on Bitcoin. So let's stay above the 8940 area, and also we could flirt with this 8900 area if we wanted to. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, that's Bitcoin. We'll keep an eye on it. We always do. Let's go, man. Let's do it. All right. Also, ladies and gentlemen, today Apple reports earnings. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna keep my eye on the chart, the after hours chart. Excuse me. Hold on one sec. I know it's messed up. Okay, there we go. And we're just gonna take a look at that together. It's gonna be fun to see. Okay, let me show you real quick on screen. Okay, this is Apple's. This is Apple after hours. I converged Apple and hours together. Apple's. This is Apple's. 5-minute chart really doesn't matter what kind of time frame. We're just looking at it because we want to see the volatility of the after hours. It plays just like crypto can, right? These ER plays insane. So we'll keep our eye on that. I think they report in about an hour maybe. So it'd be cool to see, man. Always fun. Earning plays. It's earning season over on the stock market, but still very much in correction mode. Okay, for most stocks. Okay, let's go to Ethereum. Still holding, Coach K. Still holding, man. Extend that out a little bit. Something I saw last night, I think I did. Let me show you something. I'm not crazy. Watch this. Do you see this right here? And this now? Adjustment made. Okay? Makes more sense, does it not? Yes, it does. Okay, so honestly at this point, I mean, maybe we could do this too. That makes sense. We could do that, man. You know what you kind of got going on here? Another triangle, right? Another type of triangle. At this point anyway, right? Two reaction lows, two reaction highs. Now we could say the best area values were down here. Okay. All right, that's it. Sim triangle. Okay, barely, but still is, and I like it. I like the strength you've shown on Ethereum, giving us another wick so we could make plot points and adjustments to our chart, which is always healthy to do, okay? I wonder, man. I wonder. Hold on. Give me a second here, okay? There we go. That's it, man. We just went from top to bottom on our channel to make it perfect. Fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. Love it. Love freaking TA. It's so fun. Alright, so we made our adjustments and it looks freaking great. So we'll see how this holds. Want to break to the upside and make a measured move here up. It'd be wonderful. Be very strong. 86.66. What is that? Yeah, it's just wherever we broke out if we did. There it is. Measure move. Sim triangle. Measured move, ladies and gentlemen. 83448. 8.3% of a Bitcoin. My goodness. Could we see it? Will we rise? Time will tell. Let's go to Ripple. Actually, let's save real quick. My God. I'm not getting this stuff to not save. Okay. We are saved, ready to roll. Let's go to Ripple real quick. Okay, man. Still outside. Still outside. Now, what happens if we say, well, what about this wick, man? What if we made an adjustment to up here? Then you're still not outside. Understandable. Let's see if we did this. We're not outside of it. And we can do that. Oh yeah, we are. Wow, how about that, ladies and gentlemen? How freaking about that? We are outside. We're technically breaking out. Volume's terrible. It's a miserable volume, so don't get your hopes up too much, but maybe the volume will pick up. Okay, but you're just, see, your volume's terrible, your positive momentum's terrible. Okay, you have to break to higher highs, and you better do it fast on good levels of volume. Okay, let's get a nice big green candle. Break that 94.42 area and start running again. Okay, that's what we need to do. Had plenty of time contracting on price. I mean, my goodness, since the 20th, since 420, man. Since you know, the Devil's Lettuce Day, we've been completely hungover and double bottomed now, giving validity to this 50% retrace for all the algos and market makers. It seems to me there's a very, very, very good chance that we will make nice moves to the upside very, very soon. Okay, so you've got the fib and our breakout. Those are our two variables we're using to say there are good things going on with Ripple right now, finally. And it just took time for that to develop, okay? That's it, man. That's it. Go Ripple. Bullish trend to Jesus still, okay? BNB still meh. Zooming out, we can see multiple areas of value. I mean, there's 3 different areas of value, okay? 3 different potential trades one could make if they wanted, okay? Oops, wrong pattern, or wrong tool. Okay, so if you're the most conservative trader ever, you're down here. If you're in the middle, if you're a centrist, a trading centrist, your best level value is here. If you're a liberal trader, you're right here. Okay? So things to think about, okay? There's just different styles for different strokes for different folks, different levels of risk for different peoples, okay? Volatility's picking up a little bit on Apple. Not much, but still is. Take a look at chat real quick. Desert Creature says cup and handle on Tronics. Ooh, man. Well, bull pull, bull flag, and the cup and handle. Either way, still bullish stuff, right? We can both be right. You're casting to the living room TV. Got me on the big screen. Big screen, man. We did it. We made it on the big screen, man. No, XLM. Gotcha. Well, we'll be looking at XLM real quick. It's soon to be here. Okay. No problem, man. What? I didn't say anything. Alexa. Exit. Exit. Okay. Look. Apple. Earnings has not been reported yet, I don't believe. Okay. 168.70. It was at 170. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Okay, so bed and breakfast coin, ascending triangle measure move, 17.99. Okay. A beautiful upper sloping channel. Beautiful artwork at its finest. That's BNB. Okay, let's go to TNT for city discounts. Still showing lots of strength here. A lot of strength. Okay, flagging, bull flagging. Nothing to be scared of. You still love your 20 and your 50. And you're above your 1392 area. Okay, so that's accumulation right here. Lots of accumulation. Breaking to the upside. Still going. Just hold tight on this one. If you're in it, we'll see how it plays out, okay? Okay, see how it plays. It's just very, very healthy. Got it a little extended from the 20 MA. When Bitcoin freaks out, you know, volatility is gonna incur. But you know what? Still above the 20. You could go as low as that 1392 and still be completely fine on this. And if one wanted to, that's a decent area of value. Looking left, you're making a rational decision to say, hey, you know what? One could take a shot and a gamble, saying we won't fall below this because we created too strong of a support. It was once resistance, now support. Okay, always decent areas to accumulate here, or to take low risk opportunities. But then, of course, you know, then you got the really conservative trader that says, nah, screw that. We don't even care about that. We think we could come back down here, which you could at some point, but it might be way down the road. It might be up here, then down here, right, way down in the end of May. You never know. So. That's your TNT, still looking fine, looks like a bull pole bull flag. Wonderful, okay? Wonderful. Wax was next. Here it is, we did it, man. Is it new? It must be new on Bitfinex. Do you want it on Bitfinex? I mean, I can just chart it on here, I guess. Let's take a look at the other. I think we may have charted this on another exchange. No? Yeah, we did it briefly. We've done it at one point. Oh, jeez. Golly. Inverse head and shoulders. Beautiful inverse head and shoulders. It has not broke the neckline yet. Wonderfully. Actually, it's... That's your neckline, 4140. You snap that, man. It's not going to be a very big measure move, but I think overlying, we have another pattern. Okay, so once you break this neckline, you're gonna have that measure move, pretty nice. Won't be that spectacular. It's not a very large one. 784 from that neckline. So it's not a big deal or anything, but nevertheless, okay. It's gonna get you all the way back up to your previous high. See, makes sense? Going to get you back up here to your critical level resistance. If you can break that, it's going to be a phenomenal run. A phenomenal run if we can get back above that, okay? So just hang tight on Wax. I know it's had a wonderful run, but it's also had a nice retracement, probably 420, right? Probably 420 when it started. Yep, 419, whatever, same thing. It also hit the devil's lettuce, and it's just been high, man. Okay? It's just been calm. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. We'll see if this is fulfilled, but looks pretty freaking nice to me, man. You're back above your 20 and your 50. Just flirting around, dancing with it. Up, down, up, down. Bullish pattern within a bullish pattern in a bullish trend. I do declare. Wonderful. Great stuff on Wax, man. Great stuff on Wax. Wax looking very, very good. Okay? Hey, the 28,000. Thanks so much for the sub on YouTube. You're Jesus, man. Appreciate you being here, dude. Welcome to the team. All right, there you go. City discount. Danny. Play dead. Those all good, man? Good stuff? We okay, man? You know, I guess we could do this. I mean, no, we can't use that. We can't use that as a fib. No way. How do you even fib this crap, man? We can just do this. We'll see what the retrace was first, okay? Probably have any. What was this? A 38% retrace? Couldn't be a 50, could it? It could be a 50, but maybe 382. It was a 50. Oh my goodness. Hey, 50% retrace like to Jesus, man. When you hit your 50% retrace, you broke to the upside, you broke down, your sellers couldn't push the price lower, so then you just formed an inverse head and shoulders pattern. Most common area, the Dow theory speaks again in this bullish altcoin spring turning to summer. Wonderful. Now, if things break to the upside and we got to start looking for targets, we should just do our swing high, swing low, give us a better gauge. So if all heck breaks loose, we got them up here to see some resistance points, okay? Because if we look left, we have no more of those, we have none left, okay? So we'll have to rely on our fib extensions, okay? That's wax. Congratulations on all your success. EOS is the next request. It's on the list. Still in your equilibrium level, believe it or not. It's, I think it's time. I do believe it is time. I thought we already redid this stuff. We're gonna need these again at some point, believe me. Bull, flat, measure, move. Whatever, man. There's just nothing, give me a second. I guess what we could do at this point is just, since we found a swing high, we might be able to, figure something out here. There you go, man. So we got a channel being respected, okay, from these two plot points. Our third was here, fourth here. So 2 and 2, very valid as a channel, okay? You could make the argument that we've got another type of channel and we've broken out of it and we're just probably testing it, or we've fallen back into it, okay? If we wanted to, we could probably do something like this. Just give me a second. Yep. Yep. See that? You broke out of the channel, you're hooking off of it. I guess we can get rid of the fibs for now. Okay, just so we can see, get a better vision, okay? So that makes a lot of sense, does it not, ladies and gentlemen? Alright, that's it. EOS looks like a channel we broke out of is, you know, being tested right now within your equilibrium level above your 50. Still bullish on this until you fall below your 50, until you fall back into this channel, and you could break down here. And we're talking about other levels of support that we could see. A very weak one would be there. Your all-time high areas right there. It's gonna be critical support once you hit that. because that can come and that will come. Believe me, man. It will come at some point. We will test this area, okay, down here at some point. So yeah, now we know. We've got a range. Okay. Hey, you know it'd be crazy? You know it'd be insane? Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. What would that make? That would make an ascending triangle. Holy crap. Let's see it happen. I don't know if it will. I'm just saying, what if? That'd be sick. Alright, that's EOS. Saving this. Okay, man. That's right, Russell Scott. We do declare. Full nerd effect. That's right, man. Revenge of the Nerds. We're back. We're taking over the world. Hey, Dan Boyer. I'm doing well, man. Thanks, dude. That's right. One Man Army's a white wig, man. He's one of the founding fathers. OMG, please break, ... Apple's not doing anything. They haven't reported yet. They report today at... I think it's 4 o'clock. Yeah, 4 o'clock they report. So, all my time. So, like, 40 minutes, 45 minutes away. Something like that. Alright, so that's EOS. Good luck. ONT. Another Jesus coin, man. There it is. You broke it. Bull flag. Member. I'm member. There it is. Do we even talk? No, we didn't measure the measured move. What? Oh, I think we were like, oh, we'll just do that when it happens. And it happened. Okay. Let's say right here. Or here. Whatever. Be conservative. I'm just going to be conservative here. Okay. 36.54. There it is, man. Here's your measured move. You kidding me, man? I just can't believe it. Which obviously you'd be like doing this too. Okay, something like that. If we zoom out, we can see got ourselves a new channel going on. All right. See the bull pull, bull flag, measure move up makes its fulfillment of destiny. Okay, let's see it, man. I mean, there's always a chance if you have low volume like this, you could just crap out. It's possible, but we have to be prepared. Okay, we have to be prepared for the runs. Okay, we have to see what happens. So that's your ONT right there, man. Wonderful. The measured move is confluent with the 1272 and these breakouts to all-time highs. That is a very common area, okay, that you hit. Okay, fib extension 1272. Let's go, man. Let's do it. Let's be to Jesus. Remember, wonderful technical rating, not showing bearish divergence yet. I guarantee you, if you did make the measured move up, you ran up to these levels, you would be showing bearish divergence. That might be it. Who knows? You might be breaking back down to the bottom of the channel. It'd be wonderful. Let's see the TA be respected once again. ONT to Jesus coin. BNB to ETH. Guys, we've been going 1 hour and 24 minutes now. If you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. If you want the best trade setups, education, you want to be part of the best TA and crypto culture community, join our Patreon today. We've been posting a link in the chat, so go check it out. SMS text alerts on pressing trade setups, okay? I don't think we've ever looked at BNB to ETH. I might be wrong. Oh, we did. We did. Ooh, having issues here, man. Can't hold this? I wonder if we just chop around and then break back up to the upside. Okay. Yeah, so we had a wedge into an ascending triangle. And we had a almost a 61%, 62% retrace. Had a 60% retrace, double bottomed. Making higher lows regardless of anything, okay? Okay, you're starting to make bullish divergence now. Yep, bullish divergence right now. Impending reversal is upon us. Why do I say that? Well, you made a candle body close, zoom in. You made a low. When you made this low on price, you made this level of negative momentum right here. Now you've made technical lower lows, and you're making much lower levels of negative momentum. Impending reversal and price action is upon us. Okay? That's it, man. That's it. Not kidding. Okay, so good to see that. Good to see. So we chop around and we break to the upside. Get back in this triangle. Got a little head fake. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Make that a little more accurate. Okay, that's it. There you go, man. You had a falling, look, you had a very large retrace, okay? Your impulse, this was the impulse that set the tone for the retracement. Then that retracement ended up being the 62% area, which is very common. It's one of your 3 most common areas of retracement after a bull run. So the algos are now saying, hey, we double bottomed here. We're making higher lows. We're showing some bullish divergence right here. Ascending triangle. There is a sell wall, a George Soros wall up here, okay? Not letting the price go higher. But as the peasants keep accumulating coins, we keep making higher lows, okay? And with that, George Soros will get nervous and will break to the upside. He'll lift his sell wall and run up. We'll see if we can do it, man. Let's see if we can do it. We had the death cross on the 4 hour on the 19th of this month. So we've got to turn it back around. Let's do it, man. Form this bullish reversal. Okay, this would be an ascending triangle reversal pattern. Okay, bullish. Let's go, man. You have your pattern with your bullish divergence, giving us a stronger level of confidence on this. Okay, BNB to ETH, man. There it is for you. Let's go to rec. What happened with rec, man? Okay, man. Just continuing your upward trek. Came down to touch your 20 MA and now you broke back out. Okay. We talked about areas of value. We were up here and we said, hey, you know what? Decent area of value here. If one wanted to get in on the breakout, they better have a, pretty nice stop. Okay, so you don't get wrecked. But this is nice. The fact that you broke out, you broke down, you're right back outside of it. Wonderful. So if we zoom out, we can see another form of ascending triangle. Actually now we could probably say this might be a sim triangle, okay? Kind of. It might just give us a better scope of vision here, okay? And what I mean by that is just doing this, Jeez, man, really? Huh. Look how if we had this already plotted like that, wow, interesting. Wow. Request network, if this is for real, this could be insane. This could be an insane measure move. Like, I mean, ladies and gentlemen, this could be, if we broke this bullishly, it would be much higher than this. It would be much higher than 4,070. Okay. Wow. Okay, so that's what's going on right now, okay? We're hitting the top of this sim triangle. Okay, kind of disregarding this area, it's there, but it's not your strongest level. Okay, so you had 2 reaction highs, okay, validating it, and the fact that we broke it and we're holding it's good, but it seems like we have other levels of adversity that we're trying to break and we're failing. So even if you got one more shot down here, please just know that if we break this, this could be a very, very large move up. Okay, not 4,070, could be higher than that. We talked about longer term targets of 50% in the 618, 4,484, and the 5,128 Satoshi areas. Okay, so that would play a role. Okay, cool stuff, man. Okay, that's right. Okay, let's see. AE coin. AE looked wonderful, did it not? Good things for AE. Yeah. Bull pole, bull flag. I think we measured it too. Yep, we did the measure move. So you didn't really break out of it. This is one of those crappy ones, right? Where you're like, oh, we broke, but we didn't break. We opened outside. That's like sleepwalking out. Okay, not breaking out, sleepwalking out. And now you're back below your 20. We'll see how strong this is, but it wasn't a very convincing breakout by any means on AE. Okay, it wasn't much of one at all, to be honest. So we'll see how this goes. Okay. Zooming out, just beautiful rounding action. We knew how good this would be. We knew. And just, what do you think you're doing right now? Are you kidding me? This is an insane cup and handle. This is like crazy cup and handle stuff going on right now. Okay, you talk about if that is in fact a cup and handle, if it really is. I mean, we're talking the neckline's like right there. And that neckline's there, right? So that's crazy. 38.10. Are you kidding me, man? 38.10 would be your measured move from a cup and handle like that if you broke to the upside. It's almost like impossible to believe. Okay, so yeah, that could be where we ran to 93.20 if the measured move was respected completely on a cup and handle like that. So that's AE. Cool stuff, man. Cool stuff. See how this plays out first. Okay, you could go lower if you wanted. We go 1 hour and a half, 1.5 hours now. Okay, sub. Gonna take a look at chat. Kept running. Well, of course you did. Bull pull, bull flag. Are you kidding me, man? Measure move 12,153. No problem, man. Nothing surprising here. Or, oh my god, I can't believe it. It moved to higher prices. What? In a bullish trend with a bullish pattern? With no bearish divergence? What? If I saw, we actually already did ADA, man, didn't we? Yeah, we already. ADA was like our second coin we analyzed the entire stream. She is listening, man. The A word. City Discount says Bitfinex launches stellar trading. Really? That's crazy, man. What's up, Nick Tun? Clash Royale. Royale with cheese. Kappa. No Litecoin. I see you laughing, Coach K. See more of a wedge on AE. Wedge flag. Cup and handle. Right. All ridiculously bullish, Brad. All unbelievably bullish. Greg just hooked up with Wikimedia. I didn't know that was a thing. I guess this Wikipedia's media. Well, it's good. That might correlate on the charts. One-man army. Very well. The way we're forming that pattern. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Here's Apple. Do you see? We had 178 after hours. Nice spike in volume. Okay. I don't think it's been reported, but maybe insider information came out about it. You know, guidance or whatever. But I don't think... Oh, actually, no, it did come out. Earnings came out. The conference call is at this time. Excuse me. Okay, so it looks like we had good earnings. Someone wants to look that up. Post it in chat. Just wanted you to see that, okay? Okay, man.
First time since we split the lineup.
iPhone had a huge success, of course. Thank you, CNBC. Y'all are so smart, man. Great reporting. Okay, sub. Nothing more to talk about. We've talked about it ad nauseum. Wonderful bull run, bull flag. We're gonna make the measure move up 12,153, and then we have other targets that are up here 50% to 618 of the all-time high. Okay, that's it, man. Sub. Appreciate that, Tyler. It means a lot, man. Thank you so much for your support, and I'm glad you're getting value out of the channel, man. That's what it means. That's what matters. Okay. XLM. Strong, man. Looking strong. Fell back within your equilibrium level, but you broke back to the upside on nice levels of volume. Cool, man. Cool. No divergence or anything. Time to clean up a little bit. It's getting really cluttered, busy. Okay. Double head, inverse, slanted, double head and shoulders to Jesus, man. Broke out of a downward sloping channel. When we broke out, boom. That's what happens when you break out. You're gonna be sleepwalk out. Eventually, the breakout comes. Channel season, I do declare. Yeah, Cubbon handle XLM. Derp. Yeah. That's about right. Hold on. There we go. I like this better. I like the 3 touch points at the bottom. Yeah, we're at a critical level of resistance. Looking left. Previous candle body close, a lot of them. Quarterly revenue increase for Apple. Yeah, 3.81%. Wonderful, man. Wonderful. Sorry, just looking at... Okay, here we go. Apple EPS beats. Yeah, they were $2.73, and the estimate was $2.67. So nice EPS beat. I mean, not by much. I wonder what their guidance was. If they report guidance, revenue beat, they were at 61 billion, and the estimate was 60 billion. So they beat. Yeah, they had a nice beat, but guidance is king. Okay, so if all of a sudden on their conference call they start talking about guidance, this thing could tank. That's how it works. Guidance is like everything in earnings. So okay, so we have a new thing going on, man. One could say this is a rising wedge, but come on, man, rising wedge in a bull trend, not as strong, it's not as powerful, okay? It's not at all. Okay, XLM, new channel, we did it, man. There you go, Coach K. Looking good, Jason. Looking good. We did nulls for you earlier. Much earlier. It was like the third or fourth coin we looked at. And we're fine. It's all good, man. Okay, guess we can go to, got many more coins to look at, but, I don't know, man. Just kind of like, meh. Guess we look at mana. There you go. There's your TA. Again. Completely respected. It's just fantastic. Just fan-freaking-tastic. Had your measure move, you hit your measure move, okay? And you're continuing to run. And you're now above all-time highs on mana, on Binance. Okay, all-time highs have been broken. You've done it. Not much more resistance at this point. You start running here, you're gonna make a really nice run to the upside. Really nice. You already have, but fantastic. So we know that we did the measure move here. We pretty much hit it. We did the measure move here. We pretty much hit it. One or the other. I can't remember which one's which. That's why I'm starting to color code them now, so I don't have to worry about which ones are which. But we've hit the measure move on both patterns, this one and this one now. So that's it. All right. Well. Ladies and gentlemen, we've been going 1 hour and 44 minutes now, so chat's kind of died off. No big deal. So I'll see y'all tonight. I'll be on for Crypto and Chill episode 68. So until then, stay hyped.